JJ Caspe, JB De La Cruz, Lester Reyes, Joseph Marquez, and Kit Arriar magsisimula for Mindoro, Valenzuela, Will Parade, Paulo Hubalde, Andre Arminion, Ladis De Palam, Mark Montuano, and Dennis Santos. Arriar underway. Back to Marquez, Santos ang nakabantay, Arriar swings it over, Lester Reyes, that's a 3.
Kita mo, komporta.
Hubalde. Where's Montuano? Nandun si Arriar. Arminion lumapit. Andre Arminion gets the bounce on the layup. Swings it over to Dennis Santos. Montuano gets it back. Santos draws closer. The step back jumper from Dennis Santos is good.
Yeah, guys, in Val City.
Arriar. Marquez rises and binawian. Si Dennis Santos. Sing mo?
Oh, medyo maganda-ganda.
Galing sa Quezon.
Oh, back to back.
And Paulo Hubalde.
Oo nga.
That's a 3.
Niya because it helps him get that parang kumpiyansa na tumira lalo sa labas and create for his teammates. Oh, good drop pass.
Lester Reyes score. Against Santos. Nice pass inside. Lester Reyes. Basket was the foul, but Montuano.
Nice.
Kay Santos. Dennis Santos getting to work early here. Reyes. Lester. Rudy. Drives baseline. Nice cut. Art Aquino.
Ganda ng time.
First quarter field goals. Mindoro 41%. Valenzuela 46%. As Ogsang knocks down that baseline jumper. Minsan bumabalik naman sila sa second half as Ken Bono automatic.
Ano naman?
8 seconds on the shot clock. Lingganay to Mecca. Back to Rudy. Three-pointer is good.
Mga top teams naman yung nakalaban nila. Kaya medyo hirap din. Lalo na transition period para dun sa mga new players that they got. Taking too long.
Lepalam jumper is good.
Di ba ang nagte-taste test ng mga turon sa bawat site?
Kami po ang taga as JJ Caspe. Size niya really fit para sa isang guardia lalo na dito sa MPBL.
Oo. At saka in control And see that shot again. The horizon.
And he's really got good motor as well.
Oo, yeah. Ganda ng balance kasi.
Mark Hubalde. Hook pass to Ladis Lepalam, showing us the soft touch. All you can do now is, make sure you get a W every time. Hubalde with a pretty finish. 47-36. Lingganay with a runner. It's good. Ladis Lepalam. Minute and a half remaining in the third. Bono gets in position. That shot is good.
Winanulwan si Ladis.
Montuano, free throw line jumper. He knocks it down. Lingganay, binabantay ni Manliguez. Under a minute remaining in the third. Rudy pulls up. It's good. Here's Ogsang. Manliguez back to Ogsang. Reeve with a jumper. It's good. And Manliguez and Paulo Hubalde.
Yeah, right.
De Los Santos. Daryl Manliguez for 3. It's good. Mindoro with 13 turnovers. Valenzuela with 9. Marquez knocks down the
fourth quarter. Paulo's been a little bit silent compared to how he did in the third.
5 of 18 for Mindoro, 2 of 15 for Valenzuela. De La Cruz pulls up. The jumper is good para kay JB De La Cruz. That's a sweet-looking jumper with a rebound. Bigay kay Manliguez. Drop pass. Montuano for 2. Covered by Hubalde. Paulo. Bigay kay Lepalam. Lepalam puts it in for 2. Wala dito sa San Jose, Batangas.
At old school ng Mindoro, Zona at free throw lang.
Lepalam on that short corner.
Yeah, that one.
The final score is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Basta ending, GameX.